All right, so this one won't take long at all. This time we're going to sketch the same dynamics problem that we sketched using your graphics calculator. We're going to sketch it using Excel. So the thing that you need to understand here is that really we've got three variables that are linked. We've got time, we've got an x value, which is really our I component of our vector, and we've got our y component, which is just our j component of our vector. And we want to graph this between time equals 0 and time equals 5. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we just need to put in our equations for x and our equations for y. So x is going to be equal to 2 times the amount of time. So 2 times, in my case, B19. And I can just sort of drag that down to calculate all of those. So that's 2 times B20, B21, B22, 23, 24. And then y is just slightly more complicated. That's equal to 25 minus time squared. That looks about good. Okay, and then I can just drag that down as well. And I should get something that looks like that. So I can sketch this time just in terms of x and y. I can just like insert some sort of, I don't know, maybe like a scatter plot. Yep, we can join them up maybe. And of course I could have put in more values. I could have gone 0, 0.5, 1, and kind of dragged that down if I wanted to. I'll just try creating that one more time. I'll just get rid of that and I'll sketch that. Insert scatter plot. And then we have like there's our I components along the bottom, there's our j components there. We're kind of ignoring the t values here, but that's how you can sketch it using using Excel.